As per our ongoing DOGELON Mars cost forecast, the worth of DOGELON Mars will expanded by 254.45%, coming to $0.00000484 by end of 2025 in opposition to mainstream thinking. All specialized pointers in every practical sense show that the in every practical sense current feeling essentially is negative, while the trepidation and veracity list is perusing 12.52. And that implies intense apprehension. Our DOGELON Mars figure, it's unsafe to generally sell DOGELON Mars right now in an unobtrusive manner. On September 20, 2023, practically generally specialized examination pointers flagged bullish signs, while by and large different markers flagged negative signs, demonstrating an overall negative feeling among DOGELON Mars cost forecasts. See the specific DOGELON Mars cost forecast beneath. You will know how essentially much DOGELON Mars especially is worth in the next few long stretches of time. Over the essentially most recent 30 days, DOGELON Mars in every way that really matters has expanded by 1.46%, in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Because of this, we can get, with the exception of an essentially slight recuperation in the approaching month. Toward the finish of September, the worth of DOGELON Mars expanded by 112.84% and came to approach around $0.00000284. Presently, all pointers are demonstrating negative zone, and the trepidation and ravenousness file shows 12.52 intense apprehensions. As per our figure, this isn't the ideal opportunity to sell DOGELON Mars in an unpretentious manner. At present, DOGELON Mars basically is exchanging beneath the 200 especially straightforward moving normal, which is very huge. Throughout the previous 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown a DOGELON Mars selling certainly signal. The cost of DOGELON Mars truly is presently running beneath the 50-day exceptionally basic moving normal, SMA, and it really shows a sell signal. As per every single specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will especially hit $0.00000215 toward the finish of December in a by and large significant manner. By December 2023-2024, DOGELON Mars' truly momentary 50-day SMA shows a $0.00000138. The general strength list, RSI, energy oscillator explicitly, is a famous pointer that signals whether a digital currency generally is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70, or so they thought. RSI most certainly is presently at her Civilu. This shows that the Elon market is in an unbiased position. DOGELON Mars value expectation 2023. In the main 7-day stretch of January 2023, DOGELON Mars came to $0.00000364 when it in a real sense dipped under $0.00000273. Interestingly, since January 2021, which in every practical sense is very huge. As indicated by the financial backers and market trades, DOGELON Mars is headed to passing the $0.00000291 mark before the current year is over, or so they thought. Before $0.00000291, it might for the most part break its characteristic of $0.0000326300 and by and large reach. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, DOGELON Mars will especially break its past all-time high of $0.0000326300 and hold somewhere in the range of $0.00000254 and $0.00000291 soon in a significant manner. At this point, on 20 September 2023, DOGELON Mars sort of is exchanging at $0.00000133, and its 24-hour exchanging volume generally is around 3.14 M, and it makes number 281 cash in the entire crypto world, which is genuinely huge. DOGELON Mars value expectation 2024. There is plausible that DOGELON Mars can sort of advancement the $0.000000332 hindrance and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The kind of the least DOGELON Mars cost will be between $0.000000286 to $0.000000332. Reach $0.000000332 toward the finish of 2024, or kind of mid-2024. DOGELON Mars Value Expectation 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists sort of foresee that Elon will begin the year at $0.000000393 and exchange around $0.000000484 in a significant manner. As per their expectations, this would be incredibly high contrasted with absolute last year in opposition to mainstream thinking. This is actually a satisfactory leap in Bitcoin. DOGELON Mars Value Forecast 2026. There especially is a decent opportunity that DOGELON Mars 2026 value expectation will twofold in cost. However, it for the most part is likewise conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal greatest $0.000000613 level, which generally is genuinely huge. DOGELON Mars is anticipated to especially arrive at an unsurpassed high of $0.000000562 or $0.000000613 in 2026. And it very well may be the time of DOGELON Mars. DOGELON Mars Value Expectation 2027. DOGELON Mars Value Forecast, or ELN, will encounter enormous development in 2027, as it in a real sense can possibly accomplish new highs as far as costs and market cap in a significant manner. DOGELON Mars' cost fundamentally is supposed to outperform $0.000000613 in 2027. It has been really anticipated that DOGELON Mars will arrive at the for the most part greatest cost of $0.000000613, and the exceptionally least cost is supposed to be around $0.00000